to go for by-polls in Uttar Pradesh, Akhilesh Yadav has made a huge announcement. The Samajwadi Party said that all candidates of INDI bloc will fight on the symbol of Samajwadi Party. He also asserted that Samajwadi Party's strength has increased manyfold with the support of Congress Party's top leadership and booth-level workers. Akhilesh's announcement gave BJP fresh ammunition to take pot shots at the Congress Party. Listen in.
कांग्रेस पार्टी की एपिक बेइज्जती, कंप्लीट सरेंडर अब पूरा हो चुका है। कांग्रेस पार्टी अब उत्तर प्रदेश में अपने अस्तित्व को मिटाने के लिए भी तैयार हो चुकी है। समाजवादी पार्टी के मुखिया अखिलेश यादव जी ने ऐलान कर लिया है, पहले तो 7 सीटों पर ऐलान कर दिया था एक तरफा कि 9 में से 7 सीटें समाजवादी लड़ेगी। कांग्रेस को स्नब किया, 5 सीटें मांगी थी कांग्रेस ने, उनको एक प्रकार से उनकी हैसियत दिखा दी और अब उन्होंने ऐलान किया है कि 9 की 9 सीटों पर समाजवादी पार्टी के सिंबल पर चुनाव लड़ा जाएगा। मतलब कांग्रेस के हाथ कुछ नहीं आने वाला। कांग्रेस पार्टी ने सरेंडर मान लिया, स्वीकार लिया।
राहुल गांधी को कोई सीरियसली नहीं लेता। अखिलेश यादव ने ट्वीट करके ये बता दिया कि कांग्रेस पार्टी को अगर वो अलायंस के अंदर टिकट देंगे तो वो हार की गारंटी होगी। आज ये स्पष्ट हो चुका है कि कांग्रेस के टोल और कांग्रेस के समर्थित इकोसिस्टम तो राहुल गांधी को कोट अनकोट पॉलिटिकल चाणक्य कहते हैं, पर उनके खुद के इंडिया अलायंस के नेता ये मानते हैं कि जितनी ज़्यादा वो सीट अगर राहुल गांधी को देंगे और कांग्रेस पार्टी को देंगे, उतना ज़्यादा नुकसान इंडिया अलायंस का होगा।
Adib is joining us live on the broadcast. While Akhilesh Yadav claims after this announcement by putting out a new post that there is unity in INDI by putting out a picture of himself and Rahul Gandhi, there are a lot of political interpretations of what this decision means. That Congress has lost its bargaining power, that Congress's position has been reduced, and that Congress is not even putting up a fight. It's okay to, fight on Samajwadi Party's symbol because Akhilesh Yadav makes it clear it's about winnability and perhaps does not trust Congress. Several interpretations doing the rounds.
Well, definitely, Swati, see Akhilesh Yadav first he posted a long message that it's not about the seat sharing and who's going to win, but it's about defeating BJP. And on this fact, we have decided that all the candidates of India bloc, they will be fighting on Samajwadi Party symbol. When and after that, when the BJP started training their guns at the Samajwadi Party and Congress, Akhilesh Yadav posted a photo on his social media account with Rahul Gandhi, showing that there's a unity between both the parties, and Congress is supporting the Samajwadi Party in Uttar Pradesh for the upcoming by-polls. In fact, in the initial post also, Akhilesh Yadav mentioned that all the Congress workers from their top leadership to the booth level workers, they are standing with Samajwadi Party, and this will strengthen our cadre in Uttar Pradesh and we will easily defeat BJP. But on the other hand, Swati, we have BJP who have been training their gun and they are saying that it's a loss for Congress Party, and Samajwadi Party has shown their true colors to the Congress Party, and this is what the Congress deserve. In fact, Rahul Gandhi, who's the leader of opposition, comes from the Uttar Pradesh Raebareli scene, and this is the state of affairs for the Congress Party, that they can't even get a single seat in the alliance from Samajwadi Party.
Right, Adib, stay on with us. We also have a reaction coming in from the Deputy Chief Minister of Uttar Pradesh, Brajesh Pathak. Let's listen into what he said.
जितने भी उनके इंडिया ब्लॉक के कैंडिडेट्स हैं वो समाजवादी पार्टी साइकिल पे लड़ेंगे। क्या सरेंडर कर दिया है?
विपक्षी गठबंधन के इंटरनल मैटर्स से कोई लेना देना नहीं, वो किसको चुनाव लड़ाते हैं, किसको नहीं लड़ाते, गठबंधन में क्या करते हैं। हम अपनी केंद्र प्रदेश सरकार के जो हमारे कार्य हैं उनको लेकर के जनता के बीच में है और जनता का आशीर्वाद माननीय मोदी जी के साथ है।
कांग्रेस को अपना सिंबल वैसे भी वापस कर देना चाहिए। कांग्रेस की औकात का मालूम पड़ता है कि कांग्रेस की स्वीकारता देश में खत्म हो चुकी है। आपने देखो अनेक जगह उनको ठुकराया जाता है। जहां पर 2 बच्चे साइकिल पर चले वहां पर भी उनको चुनाव नहीं लड़ने दिया जा रहा। वो लड़ना नहीं चाह रहे। आप लड़ो ना, नो पे कौन मना करता है? अपनी ताकत तो दिखाओ ना, ताकत है ही नहीं। वो साफ साफ दिखाई दे रहा है। ये इंडिया अलायंस का गठबंधन जो है खाली अवसरवादी है, भ्रष्टाचारी है, परिवारवादी है, उसके हिसाब से ही चलने वाला है। इनके एकजुटता, एक रूपता, एक भ्रष्टाचार है, इसलिए कोई किसी की कदर नहीं करते।
कांग्रेस मुक्त का नारा भारतीय जनता पार्टी ने दिया था, लेकिन उसको उत्तर प्रदेश में साकार कराने का काम अखिलेश यादव जी कर रहे हैं। आखिरकार अखिलेश यादव जी ने घोषित कर दिया कि समाजवादी पार्टी के साइकिल चुनाव निशान पर ही उपचुनाव लड़े जाएंगे। अब कांग्रेस के हाथ खाली हो गए और ये हाथ का पंजा अब हाथ मलता रहेगा। कांग्रेस पार्टी की इस दुर्दशा के कारण केवल कांग्रेस ही है, क्योंकि कांग्रेस ने जैसा मध्य प्रदेश में, हरियाणा में समाजवादी पार्टी के साथ व्यवहार किया, आज समाजवादी पार्टी ने धोबी पछाड़ दांव मुलायम सिंह यादव वाला वो आज कांग्रेस पार्टी को दे दिया है। और कांग्रेस पार्टी इतनी मजबूर है कि 5 सीटों की मांग करते करते आखिरकार बिना चुनाव लड़े ही संतोष कर रही है।
All right, so those were reactions coming in from the BJP camp taking a jibe at the Congress party, saying Congress party majboor ho gayi hai, and it reflects in the announcement made by Akhilesh Yadav. We have more breaking inputs coming in. Now, BJP UP unit has put out a new post on social media X amidst this row over Akhilesh's announcement that all the candidates of INDI will contest on the Samajwadi Party symbol, which is the cycle. BJP hurls the thug jibe at Congress and the Samajwadi Party both by putting out a post taking a jibe at both Rahul Gandhi and Akhilesh Yadav. So UP BJP unit has put out a post taking a jibe at Akhilesh and Congress, at Akhilesh and Rahul, after Samajwadi Party chief announced that all the INDI candidates would contest on the symbol of Samajwadi Party. We have Niyamika getting us more details on that. Niyamika, Congress party is facing flack. Congress party being criticized by the Bharatiya Janata Party and several of those who have now parted ways with the Congress. Earlier we had Pramod Krishnam say कि अपना झंडा और पार्टी का ऑफिस भी समाजवादी पार्टी को दे दो. Now BJP is saying कांग्रेस पार्टी मजबूर हो चुकी है.
Well, indeed, it has given an opportunity to the BJP to raise questions upon the Congress party, because now a decision which is being taken by the Congress is that they are not going to contest the by-polls in the state of Uttar Pradesh. As yesterday we have seen that how Akhilesh Yadav, who is the Samajwadi Party chief, has made it very clear that on all the 9 seats, the contest would be upon the symbol of Samajwadi Party. So it clearly shows that the Congress party is not going to contest the upcoming by-polls in the state of Uttar Pradesh, and a formal announcement is also going to be made by the state unit president Ajay Rai, as well as the state in charge Avinash Pandey, as they are also going to hold a press conference at 3 o'clock at AICC headquarters. And just before this press conference, just before this formal announcement that is going to be made by the state unit leaders of the Congress party today, both of these leaders, both Ajay Rai as well as Avinash Pandey, are currently present here at the residence of Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge at 10 Rajaji Marg, as there is a crucial round of meeting that is taking place right now at 10 Rajaji Marg, where both Avinash Pandey and Ajay Rai are currently holding discussions with the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge regarding the future strategy, because we have seen that how the BJP has started attacking the Congress party, that they have surrendered before the Samajwadi Party, and that's the only reason why they are not contesting these by-polls. As far as our sources are concerned, they are also telling us that this decision has been taken after holding consultation with various state leaders, in which they have suggested that instead of contesting and losing the elections, it would be much better that the Congress party should not contest the upcoming by-polls.
What you're saying is big news. What you're saying is big news. Niyamika, you're saying that the Congress party in that meeting is deciding upon a strategy after consulting other members that they don't want to contest at all instead of losing. Stay on with us. We have more breaking inputs coming in, and I'll come back to you, Niyamika, on that. The Congress seems rather unfazed. That's what we're picking up based on the reactions that we've got so far. That the Congress seems unfazed by Akhilesh's announcement and says INDI bloc will win all 9 seats together. That's one of the reactions coming in from Surendra Rajput of the Congress. Listen in.
इंडिया गठबंधन 9 की 9 सीटों पर पूरी ताकत से चुनाव लड़ रहा है। यहां पर सिंबल किसका है, कौन किस सिंबल से किस चुनाव क्षेत्र में लड़ेगा, ये फैसला हमारा हाईकमान कर रहा है, और जो फैसला हाईकमान करेगा, कांग्रेस का एक एक कार्यकर्ता नीचे से लेकर के और अजय राय जी तक अनुशासित सिपाही के रूप में उसका पालन करेगा। इस आतताई सरकार से मुक्ति पाने के लिए, लोकतंत्र विरोधी ताकतों से मुक्ति पाने के लिए 9 की 9 सीटों पर समाजवादी पार्टी, कांग्रेस, इंडिया गठबंधन के बैनर के नीचे चुनाव लड़ रहे हैं, और हम 9 की 9 सीटें जीतेंगे।
We have Adib as well on the broadcast. Adib, Niyamika is saying that there's some meeting happening at the moment, and Congress party could come up with an official announcement about it. And there are suggestions that the Congress party is receiving on not contesting instead of losing. On the other hand, you have reactions from Congress leaders saying कि ये INDI गुट एक साथ है और हम एक साथ मिलकर 9 सीटें जीतेंगे.
Definitely, Swati. See, if the sources are to be believed, in fact, the Samajwadi Party suggested that Congress should take 2 seats, that is of Khair and Ghaziabad, where they have some significant amount of support on ground. But Congress is not ready to take those 2 seats. They are saying that our candidates cannot win and cannot put up a strong fight on those 2 seats. So, in fact, Congress can support Samajwadi Party candidates on all seats, and that is why Akhilesh Yadav taking a step forward. He already posted on social media that all the candidates will be fighting on Samajwadi Party symbol. So in fact, he has given a space and time to the Congress Party that if they want, and only if they want, they can place their candidate, but those candidates will have to fight on Samajwadi Party symbol. And if they are not ready to place their candidates, then Samajwadi Party will be making forward and will be declaring their candidates, because tomorrow is the last day to file nominations. So they have the time. What the time is just 24 hours to decide who's going
All
to
right.
fight.
So let me go back to Niyamika. Niyamika, so does that mean that the Congress Party agrees with what Akhilesh said in that post, the very first line where he said it's not about seat, it's about winning?
Well, it seems so, and that is the only reason why this high-level meeting is currently taking place at 10 Rajaji Marg, where the UP PCC President Ajay Rai, as well as the UP in charge of the Congress Party, Avinash Pandey, are holding discussions with the Congress President Mallikarjun Kharge just before making the formal announcement regarding the by-polls in Uttar Pradesh. As at 3 o'clock, they are also going to address a press conference, as the Congress Party from a very long time was mulling upon this decision, as they were saying that they are not quite confident over these 2 seats which are being offered by the Samajwadi Party, whether it is Ghaziabad or Khair. Both of these seats, the Congress Party is not having a strong hold, and that's the only reason why many of the state leaders had also given this suggestion to the leadership of the Uttar Pradesh Congress, that it would be much better that we should support Samajwadi Party in these by-polls rather than contesting these elections, because if we will contest and we will lose, then it will also create a very bad image of the Congress Party on the ground, and that's the only reason why this suggestion was being given to the state leadership, that it would be much better that if all the 9 seats would be contested by the Samajwadi Party, and the Congress Party would extend their support during the campaigning and all of these process which will be followed during the by-polls. The Congress Party would be standing with the Samajwadi Party to give out a message that the India bloc is united, and that's what clearly be seen.
Okay, so you're saying a high-level meeting is currently underway. We will wait for that official announcement by the Congress. Thank you very much, Niyamika and Adeep, for getting us the details.